guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my dip powder nails at home. I'm going to be using the products from Kiara Sky, which are my favorite so far. I purchased these from Amazon, so I'll definitely leave the link down below. Check that out if you're interested. It is a really good way to save money and still get your pretty nails on. So if you like videos like these and more cleaning videos and DIY and crafts, please make sure you click that subscribe button and let's get started. When you get your kit, each bottle has a number on it, and that's the order that you use them. I like to have all my bottles set out before I start my nails, so I'm not looking for the next step. I recommend having a paper towel or a towel down because this can get messy, especially with the darker colors. This color is Blow a Kiss, and it's a deep, dark pink. You're going to want to buff the top of your nails lightly before you get started. Never been good at show discretion. You'll have to excuse the black on my fingers and my nails. I was painting and I didn't put gloves on. This is another color that I absolutely love. It's called New Swings, and it's probably my #1 favorite color from them. But today, let's do pink. You're going to want to push your cuticles back if you can. You can use whatever you choose to use. This is what I had. Now I'm going to apply the bond. That's the first step on all of the nails. You're going to want to do thin layers of the base. Thin is better, and make sure you don't have any on a cuticle or the surrounding skin. Clean it up before you dip your nail in the color. Now you can dip your nail in at an angle into the dip powder. Tap off the excess. You can even use a brush to sweep off the remaining on the finger. Now I'll continue that step on the rest of my nails.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life dressed in another season. Not for them, just
look like after only 1 coat. I'll continue to do it 2 more coats for a total of 3. You can do between 2 or 3, it's your preference. I think that they last longer with 3 coats.
But I'll cherish every day. hands, turning chains just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long distance, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season.
This is what they look like after the second coat.
Just like another season.
Now I'm going in for the final third coat. You'll see at this point I start painting multiple nails and dipping them at once. You can do that too, but at first I like to do them individually. Completed the third layer, I'm going to go ahead and do the Seal and Protect. It is labeled with the number 3. It is what hardens the product. And I did not film that. It's the same process again. Now I'm just going to lightly buff the top of my nails just to make sure everything is smooth and even. Don't be concerned if they look like they're getting a little cloudy on top. It all goes away. Now I'm adding the top layer, the top coat. This is labeled number 4. And I add one layer, let it dry about a minute, and then add another coat of that to give it a nice shine. Isn't very thick, you don't feel it on your nails at all. It feels completely natural and it's much healthier on your nails than acrylics. Here I'm just going to clean up any residual color on my skin with some acetone, and I'll get any of the pieces that may have gotten on my skin. It comes right off. Final step is the number 5 bottle. It is the Nourish Oil. I'll put that all around the cuticle and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching how I do my dip powder at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.
Whenever your heart is broken.